Hello students, welcome to the online lecture series of the SDSM College Palghar. I am Vilas sir, and today we are covering the new topics regarding the same chapter sewing. So today's lecture we discuss more detail about the subtopics. So today we cover up the topic, it is types of seed treatment. So the seed treatment is very much essential before the seed sowing. Then the methods of sowing. So we see the different types of the method regarding the sowing. So seed treatments are the biological, physical, chemical agent and the techniques applied to the seed to provide a protection and improve the establishment of the healthy crops. In that, the optimizing the production begins with the elite genetic and the protecting plants from the pest and other serious diseases. So seed treatment will be applied for monocotyledonous plant also and dicotyledonous plants also. So seed treatment is initial preparation of a sowing. The first treatment it is applied, it is soaking of seed in water. Some cotton seeds in soak in a water for 4 to 6 hours in case of deshi type of seed, and sometimes a 10 to 12 hours of soaking applied for the American variety of the cotton seeds. So soaking it is a very much traditional method. Next is the use of chemicals. The chemicals which affects the seed coat. So treatment of the salt, it may be a NaCl or potassium hypophosphate for 12 hours. It is dipped. It is actually applied for the jowar seed for the improvement of the germination and vigor. Sometimes the chilling or the pre-drying seed are rubbed on the hard surface and it may be applied at the low or high temperature. So this technique can break the seed dormancy because the seed coat it is thinning, and after thinning the germination will start easily. Next is the seed treatment with the fungicides and insecticide. So these treatment can protect the seed from rotting. Some insects are affecting the seeds can also protected. Sometimes the pest also affect the seed germination, and some plant disease also avoided. First we'll see the seed disinfection. It is the eradication of the fungal spore that have the establishment within the seed coat or deep seeded tissues. So the chemicals can act and penetrate the seed to kill the fungus. Next it is a seed disinfestation. In that the seed refers to the destruction of the surface borne by the organism that have a contaminated seed surface but not the infected seed surface. So some chemicals are applied through soaking, dusting or dipping in it. Next it is a seed protection. It is done by the easy way. The seed are the young seedlings from the organism which are affecting through the soil. Next it is a special seed treatment. In that the seed hardening is the first method. It is applied for drought and cold tolerance. The chemicals like calcium chloride, potassium hypophosphate are used for the hard seed coats. Next is the seed fortification. This technique is achieve a high vigor to overcome soil reaction. So the chemicals are useful in this treatment, whereas the manganese sulfate, copper sulfate are applied. In seed pelleting, the treatment it is consisting the coating of a seed with nutrient supply. Generally the soil have some nutrient, but we can apply and artificially, so it is generally used in the forestries. Now next it is a moist sand conditioning. In that the seed treated with the sand, so it can minimize the loss of seed viability, whereas some soybean seed are mixed with 5 to 10% moisture of sand, and it may applied for the coca or cocoa plants. Seed sowing or the seeding is the art of placing seed in a soil to have a good germination in the required field area. A perfect seed gives a protection, or it is a correct seed per area is required depth, and it is placed in the soil in the correct way and correct spacing, or the row to row in between it. So some methods are applied here. There are different methods of a sowing, such as a broadcasting, dibbling, drilling, seed dropping. So it is behind the plug, transplanting the or the hill dropping methods are applied. So let's see the first method. It is a broadcasting. Broadcasting is a process of a random scattering of a seed on the surface of a seed bed. It can be done by manually or traditionally sometimes, and so new technique or new technology applied here, it is a mechanically. When the broadcasting is done manually, uniformly the seed depends upon the skill of the man. Soon the broadcasting of the seed are covered by the plunking or some other devices used. Sometimes higher seed rate is obtained in a system, but in mechanical broadcasting they are used, the large scale work is done. So these machines can scatter the seeds on the surface of the seed bed at a control. Next method, it is a dibbling. Dibbling is the process of placing seed in hole made of seed bed and covered them. In this method, seed are placed in hole made at a definite depth at a fixed spacing area. The equipment is used for dibbling is dibbler. It is a conical instrument used to make a proper hole in the field area. Small hand dibbler are also made with a several conical projection made in the frame. This is a very effective and time consuming process, so it is not suitable for small seeds. Mostly the vegetables are sown in this way. Next it is a drilling. Drilling consists of a dropping of a seed in furrow lines in a continuous flow and covering them with the soil in a proper way. When the seed is metering may be done either by the manually or mechanically. The number of the rows planted may be one or more. This method is very helpful in achieving the proper depth, proper spacing, proper amount of seed to be sown in the required field area. Drilling can be done by sowing behind the plug. Bullocks are also used, so the bullock drawn seed in a drill, and newly a traditional method, it is a tractor are used for drawing the seed. So the bajra, jwari, wheat, green gram, pigeon pea are actually applied here. This can be used Next, it is a planting. When the crop is sown by using the vegetative plant parts like a tuber, rhizome, cutting seed of a sugar cane. So large area is required. So handmade technique is used. Next is sowing in plug furrow. This is the effective technique of a sowing. It is commonly followed by dry landing farming. In this method, useful to take the advantage of the moisture in a lower layer of a soil. So seed is placed on the bottom of the plug furrow and it is covered. When the succeeding furrows are turned over, this method is used for the crops like gram, pea, wheat, maize, red grams, but it is a slow and laborious method. So very less is used in some farm. Next method is the transplanting. It consists of preparing seedlings in nursery and then the planting these seedlings in the prepared field. It is commonly done by vegetable and flowering plants. It is very time consuming operation, but the result is almost 90 to 95% because seedling are prepared before the sowing. So the equipment is used, it is a transplanter. In this method, usually the crops having the small seed size like a paddy, chili, tomato, and some vegetables and some flower crop also. These seeds are sown in a nursery bed with the extra care with and the tender seedlings are arise. While the seedling are in the nursery and the farmers get sufficient time to prepare in land. When the crops are attained a specific height and way at the stage, these are pulled out from the seed bed and they are planted in main our required area. The nursery bed should be irrigated properly by uprooting seedling from the nursery, and this necessary for the easy removal. It is necessary for all in main field of area which are irrigated. So it is after transplanting, so the seedling are taking care. So in whole lecture we have covered all the points regarding the lesson of sowing, the sowing treatment, sowing method, some proper taking cares before the sowing. So it may helpful for the farmers and it can give the better result. So I hope you have understood all the points regarding this chapter. So if you have doubts, so you can also ask me on the personally on group of our agriculture science and technology. We will come up with a new chapter after that. So for today it is completing the chapter. So thank you very much.